Of course, the FY17 or the March 2017 top 5%, second half at about 5% with the monsoon effects, the inflation impact, and that the rates will remain in neutral mode in the near to medium term could not be something which could be conceivable. What should therefore market do going forward? Expect the markets to remain range bound and almost at 6 points. We have seen almost 1 lakh that these funds come in with inherent increased volume for a buy on dips could be a factor span out.
The different types of mutual fund schemes. There are several ways to categorize mutual fund schemes. Let's check out open-ended fund or scheme. And what are close-ended funds or schemes? Example, 3-month business days. Close-ended funds are open for purchase only during either immediate. Mutual fund schemes can be classified according to the investment objective. Such schemes may be open-ended or close-ended schemes essential for growth. Such schemes invest a major amount in equities, seeking appreciation over a period of time. Balanced funds. Benefits of investing in both equities as well as debt securities in the proportion indicated and appropriate for those investors who are looking for growth without taking too much risk. These funds are also effective in share price equity funds. Index funds replicate the portfolio of a particular market index. Easy not exist in this regard are made in the offer document of the mutual fund scheme. Income funds, treasury bills, certificates of deposit, commercial paper and CBLO funds on these schemes do not fluctuate much compared to other funds. These funds are appropriate for corporate and individual investors as a means to park their surplus funds for short periods of time. Default risk. NAVs of these schemes also fluctuate due to the change in interest rates and to provide such services. Investors can and deposit duly filled application forms. Most AMCs today also offer an online complete. There are cut-off times for transactions recorded. For example, if on January 1st you invest in DSP BlackRock,
all the responsibilities and it's never enough. Have you ever inflation? And as time passes by, the gap between your investment don't believe in the power of inflation. After 15 years, for 20 years with some momentum over a long period of time. Did you know that since inception? An equity mutual top 100 equity fund. Experience may have long term. Well.
The financial advisory business is rapidly evolving factors that influence the performance of financial products. Understanding that is gathered through a deeper understanding. Independent Financial Associates Network, Ifan, is a B2B associates and higher CRM, commission management. Ifan also offers for product research, marketing and legal and compliance. Platform offers various asset classes, equity and LAS to over 50,000 clients through a 1,000 plus dedicated associates network in 87 cities. The company, being a large institute and aggregator, has an advantage to negotiate with financial product providers and thus offer higher short-term and long revenue to its associates. As an associate starts increasing his network, he will have the potential to earn higher revenues across product. Ifan enables a better service performance for their clients without increasing the cost. Ifan has taken the initiative to lead the change and facilitate a paradigm shift from the current sales.
देख कुछ होता है तो फोन कर। गुप्ता,
क्या वर्मा, धंधा जोरों पर है, बड़े बड़े नंबर लिख रहा है।
क्रेडिट कार्ड वगैरह वगैरह वो तो वैसे ही हैं।
ये खर्चे तो हो।
सेविंग, अरे एफडी तोड़ूं या बॉन्ड करूं तो क्या करूं? अब तुरंत पैसे की जरूरत है।
ओह, या तो पैसा सेविंग में या इन्वेस्टेड। लिक्विड में कुछ नहीं है।
अरे सेविंग अकाउंट लिक्विड ही तो है। मतलब कि क्या?
लिक्विड फंड म्यूचुअल फंड की एक कैटेगरी है।
और एंट्री एंड एग्जिट लोड
लिक्विड
तो फिर और रिटर्न भी देता है।
बिल्कुल।
तो आज का किस्सा नहीं।
और आज के लिए मैं तेरा लिक्विड फंड बन जाता हूँ। दोस्त भी तो लिक्विड फंड की तरह काम आते हैं।
Requires pretty much the same principles. It's all about systematic investment. Your money will work with greater power and it will significantly impact your wealth accumulation. That compounding. Let me illustrate how. If you make a monthly investment of rupees 5,000 for a period of 50, the sum over a period of 20 years, that extra 5, take advantage of volatile marginal fund timing scheme of your monthly investment wish to invest. You should select a period which is equal to the number of years that are left before you retire. Step 4. Additional benefit of rupee cost averaging with 2 units. Depend if the NAV fixed sum on a specific date into an equity scheme of your choice or has been depleted, or you have instructed us to switch your investments into another equity. You can download our SIP calculator on your mobile phone. Just SMS SIP.
Won't entered and invest predominantly in use of any equity-oriented scheme.
What is a mutual fund and what are the benefits of it over time? And even though how will your dream of buying a car, going on a holiday or buying a house be realized? Mutual funds might be the answer. What is a mutual fund? Listed by a professional manager in various companies after carrying out considerable research. Mutual funds allow an individual to take.
Hello friends, sharing this 1 year was obviously by 2 primary reasons. One, we will rationalized subsidies will inflation perspective as at least 50 basis points of further. Also the significantly improved liquidity significantly because of continued healthy FX flows, because of reducing pressures from currency in circulation, because we are seeing an improvement in financials, and also the fact that the government on its path of fiscal consolidation will also ensure that the
also believe that the government spending, which was rather financial year, with the fall in the crude prices as also expectation of a slightly meaning, we believe that that would be the biggest trigger as far as the equity markets are concerned. Thus, in short, Indian, especially earlier it was British pound depreciating quite sharply. There were, however, as almost in all parts of the world, including Japan, China, Europe, and US, markets both equal optimism on the Indian economy and the Indian markets continue to be positive, and we would advise investment as always.
Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
The financial advisory business is rapidly evolving, from offering advice that ensures customers can avail of better performance and offer over 75 years of combined as a reliable partner for business growth and higher investment products and services by being a one-point of hand of to scale up their business in a standardized manner. Ifan also offers professional back-office services for product research, marketing, and legal and compliance. Ifan provides efficient online access to its clients, enabling them to monitor all investments under one roof. Manufacturers can access Ifan's widespread professional associate network across the country. The greatest benefit that an associate of Ifan would hold is with Ifan's assistance, the platform offers various asset classes. And last, to being a large institute and aggregator has an advantage to negotiate with financial product providers and thus offer higher short-term and long revenue to its associates. And enables Ifan has taken the initiative to lead the change and facilitate a paradigm shift from the current sales-based advice.
हाँ अंकल, देखिए ना, मैंने पहली सैलरी से ये फोन लिया था। नेक्स्ट मंथ की सैलरी से पूरा वार्डरोब चेंज, और सितंबर में ये वॉच खुद को बर्थडे गिफ्ट की थी।
और तुमने अभी तक गाड़ी नहीं ली? बैंकॉक घूमने नहीं गए? और लेकिन अगर कोई शादी,
अंकल आप तो
पास सीमा भी है, घर भी, कार भी, और ये घड़ी मैंने लंदन से ली थी।
अंकल
2-3 हजार कम होते हैं क्या? शुरू तो करो।
बट इन्वेस्ट कहाँ करूँ?
तुम शेयर्स, बॉन्ड्स, डिबेंचर्स, गोल्ड, इन सब में इन्वेस्ट करो।
अंकल इन सब के बारे में तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता। बट अंकल ये सेफ तो है?
म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम
तो अंकल देखा जाएगा, लगा दो दाव।
ये सब कर रहे हो? अरे खुद तुम्हारे घर आएंगे बात करने के लिए।
Mutual as was largely given some upside actually been met, half at about some ups not been good news for the markets, and even more important is given the uncertainty on the global fundamental rate benchmark is been 2007 equity and cross with what should have been quoted be and well we have portfolio imminent in how the thank you
maximum invest car and mutuals very less your risk appetite funds short performance choices experts the cost that you pay for a professional manager or just beneficial fund it does make you think the mutual
the magic and wanted a new invented and double it for grains of rice started 24,288 grains on the 20th square. When they came to grain of rice, small amount of investment.
Children's education, family obligations, medical emergencies, travel. It's inflation on an. Let me list the sum of 45 over a period of 20 years.
इसी तरह एक बार इन्वेस्टमेंट तो होता ही है, चाहे छोटे स्टेप्स लो, शुरू तो करो। हाँ उसका भी इंतजाम है। ओ आओ बड़ी सीढ़ी लगाते हैं।
म्यूचुअल
There once was a poet who fell upon such hard times that he was no longer able to feed his family. So he decided to set out for the palace and appeal to the generosity of the king. Upon being summoned by the king, he started reciting his poems. The king, well pleased, asked him to name his reward. Pointing to the finely wrought chessboard, the poet said, "Where I will consider myself well rewarded." "Yes, your highness." "So it shall be." So the courtiers started placing the grains of rice. Third, 8 on the 4th square, and so on. By the time they came by the 20th square, the number swelled to 5,24,288. When they crossed 74,83,648. Soon the count increased to lakhs of crores. Eventually, the hapless king had his entire kingdom to the clever poet. Mutual fund carefully before investing.
The financial advisory business is rapidly evolving. From advice that ensures customers can avail of better performing financial products that offer higher returns, this advice that empowers financial advisors to offer quality services is based on an understanding of numerous factors that influence the performance of financial products. Understanding that is gathered through a deep independent associates to enhance their advisory and client services. with the seven reliable investment products, and Ifan can gain online users to scale up their business in a standardized manner. Ifan also offers professional back-office services for product research, marketing, and legal and compliance. Ifan provides efficient online access to its clients, enabling them to monitor all investments under one roof. Its widespread professional associate network across the country. The greatest benefit that an associate of Ifan would hold is with Ifan's Assistance platform offers various asset classes: equity, real estate, home loan,